Right, let me quickly show you how to make a coil pot. You can see it's little snakes that we build on top of each other. Now it depends on if we want to see the coils or if we want to smooth it out so that you don't see the coils. That's up to you. I'm just going to use my heart as the base. Our normal rules for joining comes into play here, so I'll scratch all around this edge of the heart. Then I will take my extra clay, and with youngsters as well, I will get them first to squash the clay and get it into a kind of a coil. Then we start rolling. You can see I roll with my fingers, make my fingers nice and tight, and then here your touch sense come into play, because you have to apply pressure wherever the clay is thicker, there they have to push a bit harder. Now, big tip, when you work with coils, always apply a lot of water before you start bending, because if you are in the warmer climates and the drier climates, it will dry and break easily. And now I'm just going to start putting my coil on. You can also, if it was too short, you can just add some extra pieces of coil. Now I've got my choice. I can either just join it. You can see bilateral hand use. I'm working with two hands, or I can join it on this side very gently so that I can still see my coil. And then when I'm done, I can just make it look nice and smooth like that. And then I can build on there with the coils.